Hello, I'm Daniel, and this is This Time Around Travelogue. We just wanted to let you know, first off, what we're not. We're not professional movie makers. We're not celebrities. And we're not the most comfortable people standing in front of a crowd or a movie camera. So Victoria and I grew up tent camping, and we loved it. And a while back, we bought our first little pop-up trailer. After several years of that, it got just a little small. So we upgraded to a new to us 23-foot travel trailer. So we are on a journey and want to invite you to come join us. We're going to be talking about the tips and tricks of the RV life and some treats along the way because my wife is an awesome cook. Come join us, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so that you get notifications when we put new videos up, and we're going to be putting new videos up each week. So hopefully we will see you here.